expression it goes. Oh, look, there's a pony. Oh, there is a dad on a little pony that was walking beside his son. He's telling me for next time. You can't really walk. Yeah, sure,
Good.
You can hold that. Oh, there's the moose. Moose, moose. Is that moose, moose? That's a pretty green pond. Look at those pretty flowers. Some pokeberries. Oh, I see you. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's a totem pole, just like on Little Einstein's. Those are called antlers. Those are for the moose. Antlers. Look, they're getting bigger.
Cuckoo.
Sometimes they do it in the tunnel and it's loud. It scares them. Wow, look at all that. Okay. I don't know. We're coming around the bend. We're coming up. Oh, look. Look. It's coming up.
A tunnel.
Just one tunnel.
Just one tunnel.
Just one tunnel.
Whoa, we are out of the tunnel. We are out of the tunnel.
She's slowing us down.
Choo choo.
So funny. There's some people. We can wave to them. They're coming across.
Train?
Oh, there's the badger. Or Wolverine, I mean. I think they're Wolverine.
Oh.
Watch the ground, man. Badger or Wolverine or something. Now let's see if we can see the wolf. It might be in there sleeping. He's back there. Oh, it's the wolf. Back there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one walking.
Look at that, Ravi. Wolf.
This is called Huntington Station. Huntington Station.
Are we done?
All right, we're going off this way.
That was a big train ride.